Hey, Boomer. Boomer. A peanut. Come here, Boomer. Is there another chipmunk around? Come here, Boomer. What are you doing? Come here, Boomer. Hey, want peanut? Boomer's being strange. Come here, buddy. Hey, Boomer, look at the deer. Coming out to get some pears. Yep, getting some pears. You see the deer, Boomer? A lot of times they get up on their back feet, so they can be like 7 feet tall and take the pears out of the tree. Anyway, back to Boomer. Yeah, Boomer. We had to look at the deer. Yeah. Okay. What's the matter, Boomer? Want peanut, buddy? Want peanut? Peanut. What are you, in a trance, Boomer? Come here. Come on, Boomer. Look, the peanut. Come here, honey. Here. How about this one? Want this one? You've been having too much of that grass seed, or that bird seed. Come here, Boomer. Here. We'll leave a couple of them for you. Here. How's that? Come here, buddy. Oh, come here, Boomer. Hmm? Come here, buddy. Come on, Boomer. Come on, Boomer. How about this one? How about this one? That one? Hey, Boomer. Come on, Boomer. Come on, Boomer. Come here. Come here. Look, buddy. Come here. Come on, Boomer. Better, honey. These are good peanuts. How about this one? Want that one? Okay, Boomer. Yeah. Okay, buddy. Hey, Boomer. All right. I gotta go check on the other guys. All right. You got 3 peanuts up there, buddy. Okay. All right. Okay, Boomer. Hi, Boomer. Hi, Boomer.